Ever caught yourself daydreaming about your own online store? Well, guess what? You're about to turn that dream into reality. We're diving into the Shopify ocean, a place where millions of businesses are riding the waves of success. But wait, how do you even start swimming here? What's the secret to choosing the perfect theme that reflects your brand? And once you're all set, how do you reel in those customers? Feeling a whirlpool of questions sucking you in? Hang tight, because we're about to turn the tide. This video is your lifeboat, guiding you through every wave, from setting sail with your Shopify account to anchoring your store for launch. So are you ready to make some waves in the e-commerce world? Let's set sail and navigate the Shopify seas together. Imagine this: you have a great product idea and you're ready to share it with the world. But there's one problem: you don't know how to create an online store. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, Shopify has got you covered. Shopify is your one-stop solution for creating an online store. It's a platform that's trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. But why Shopify, you ask? Let's delve into that. Shopify is more than just a website. It's a comprehensive e-commerce platform that gives you the freedom to sell both physical and digital goods. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. With Shopify, you can customize your store to reflect your brand, manage your products, handle payments, and even take care of shipping. It's like having your own personal team of experts without the hefty price tag. And if you're thinking of selling on other platforms like Amazon or eBay, or even in person, Shopify has got you covered. It seamlessly integrates with numerous platforms and even offers point-of-sale technology for in-person sales. Intrigued? Stick around as we dive deeper into setting up your own Shopify store. Let's bring your business idea to life. Picture this: you're standing at the threshold of your e-commerce journey, ready to step into the world of online selling. Curious about how to begin? Let's unravel the process of setting up your Shopify account. First stop, the Shopify website. Spot the Start Free Trial button? Go ahead and click it. Now, you're prompted to enter some basic details. But here's a thought-provoking question: what's in a store name? It's the identity of your business. It should be unique, catchy, and encapsulate what you're all about. Got a name in mind? Excellent. Fill in your details and voila, you've created your store. But the journey doesn't end here. Shopify will ask you a few more questions to customize your experience. Take your time to answer these. Congratulations, you've set up your Shopify account. But here's another question to ponder: which Shopify pricing plan will you choose? Each plan offers different features. Which one aligns with your business goals? Remember, setting up your Shopify account is just the first milestone in your e-commerce journey. Have you ever judged a book by its cover? Well, online shoppers do that too. The theme of your Shopify store is the first thing your customers will see, and it can significantly impact their shopping experience. So how do you choose the right theme for your store? Shopify offers a variety of themes in their theme store, each designed to cater to different types of businesses. But with so many options, how do you pick the one that's right for you? Start by asking yourself, what do I want my customers to feel when they visit my store? Is it sophistication? Fun? Luxury? Your theme should reflect these feelings. Next, consider your products. Do you have a small or large inventory? Some themes are better suited for larger catalogs, while others work well for single product stores. Remember, your theme should not only be visually appealing but also functional. It should be easy to navigate, responsive, and fast loading. Imagine you're in a physical store. What's the first thing you notice about a product? The name, right? So when adding a product to your Shopify store, make sure the title is catchy yet descriptive. Think about it. What's your product called? Now, let's move on to the product description. This is where you can let your creativity shine. What story does your product tell? What problem does it solve? And remember, don't just tell, sell. Next up, images. They're the visual handshake between you and your potential customers, so they need to be top-notch. Are your images clear, crisp, and captivating? And lastly, the price. It's not just a number. It's the value you're putting on your product. Is it competitive? Is it fair? So what's stopping you? Let's turn your products into stars on your Shopify store. Have you ever wondered how online transactions work? How does money get from your customer's credit card to your bank account? That's where payment gateways come in. They're the middlemen between you, your customer, and the banks. They ensure that the money is transferred securely and promptly. But how do you set one up on Shopify? First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Settings, then Payment Providers. Shopify has a variety of payment gateways to choose from. Some popular ones include Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe. Choose the one that best suits your needs and follow the instructions to set it up. Remember, each payment gateway has its own transaction fees, so choose wisely. Now, let's talk about shipping. How will your products reach your customers? Shopify provides a variety of shipping options. You can set up different shipping rates and zones depending on where your customers are located. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Here you can add shipping zones and rates. You can also integrate with various shipping carriers to automatically calculate shipping costs. But wait, have you considered offering free shipping? It's a great way to attract customers. Think about it. The moment has arrived. You've set up your Shopify store, added products, and you're ready to launch. But before you go live, let's discuss the final checks you need to make. Firstly, have you reviewed your store's content? Ensure that all product descriptions are accurate and free of typos. Check that your images are high quality and display your products in the best light. Have you set up your payment gateways and shipping options correctly? A small error here could lead to significant issues down the line. Next, consider your store's design. Is it visually appealing and easy to navigate? Remember, your online store is the digital equivalent of a physical shop. The easier it is for customers to find and purchase your products, the more likely they are to buy. Now, let's talk about your store's settings. Have you set up your store's domain? If not, now's the time to do so. Shopify provides a free myshopify.com domain, but a custom domain can make your store look more professional. Finally, it's time to remove the password page and go live. But wait, have you thought about the impact of this step? Once you remove the password, your store is open to the world. Are you ready for the influx of customers? Do you have a plan to handle customer inquiries and orders? Now that your store is live, it's time to attract customers. But how do you do that? One way is through marketing. Social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization are just a few strategies you can use. But remember, effective marketing is about more than just promoting your products. Starting a Shopify store may seem daunting, but with careful planning and preparation, you can launch a successful online business. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your own Shopify store?